There will be mornings when you wake up and the light feels different, softer. A quiet sense of peace settles in your bones, and you think, I'm better. I'm healed. You'll feel a lightness you thought you'd lost forever, a capacity for joy that surprises you. But then, without warning, another morning might arrive feeling heavy and gray. The old ache might return, a familiar weight in your chest, and you'll feel broken all over again. Please know, that's okay. It is a natural, expected part of the journey. Healing is not a straight line, a steady climb from one point to another. It's waves. It's the rhythmic pull of the tide, a constant dance of up and down, forward and back. Some waves will gently lift you, carrying you closer to the shore with a sense of progress and hope. Others might feel powerful and overwhelming, pulling you back into the deep. This isn't a setback. It's simply the nature of the ocean. It's the rhythm of recovery. So don't judge yourself for your bad days. Don't mistake the undertow for failure. These moments of retreat are not a sign of weakness. They are a necessary part of the process, a time for rest, for reflection, for gathering strength. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Wrap yourself in comfort, allow yourself stillness, and breathe. Every time you choose to get out of bed, every time you take a deep breath, every time you simply choose to keep going, you are healing, even when it doesn't feel like it. Each small act of survival, each moment of quiet endurance, is a victory. It's a testament to your resilience. You are rebuilding yourself, moment by moment, breath by breath. Healing isn't about arriving at a flawless, unbroken state. It's not about being perfect. It's about learning to navigate the waters. It's about showing up for yourself, again and again. It's about not giving up on yourself, especially on the days you feel lost at sea. Trust the tide. It will always bring you back to shore.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.